Hi, welcome to the mathscenter.com. We are going to look at a trigonometric identity in this video, right? I will tell you how it's obtained. It's quite a short proof. And before we do that, please share this video as much as you can, yeah? And give me a like. And please visit the mathscenter.com, yeah? Okay? The mathscenter.com for IGCSE A level and IB maths courses and physics courses and accounting courses. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, let's get started. The basic trigonometric identity that we use quite a bit, right, is sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. So let's look at a simple proof. Yeah. So I've drawn a triangle here, and I'm going to indicate this right angle here, and I've got triangle ABC. Yeah? ABC, and I've labeled the sides. Okay, I've labeled the sides B and C and A and so on. No big deal. Yeah, you can call it any other letter you like, but because I've labeled this as A, I put the opposite side as small a. Yeah. Okay, great. Now we know that. The other thing that I like you to know is before I start with the proof is the fact that if you have sine theta times sine theta, what do you get? Good. Sine squared theta. Okay? So you must know that sine squared theta is sine theta times sine theta. So what sine cube theta will be? Sine theta times sine theta times sine theta. Okay? So I want to get the basic idea out of the way first. So sine theta times sine theta times sine theta is sine cube theta, and so on. Okay, so let's leave that. We know that already now. So let's start with some simple things. Yeah, the only idea we are going to use is Pythagoras theorem. Yeah. So before that, right? What is sine theta here? No, never mind. Let's write it down. Yeah, sine theta here is what? C over what? A. Okay, let's keep that. That's easy. What is cos theta? B over A. Okay? B over A. Is that okay? Sin theta is that opposite over hypotenuse thingy, yeah? Sine C over A, and good. Now, let's keep that. What else do we see? Let's use Pythagoras, yeah? What is A squared? What is A squared? B squared plus C squared. All agree? What's A squared? B squared plus C squared. Why don't we divide throughout by A squared? Good. When you divide throughout by A squared, you'll get A squared over A squared, B squared over A squared, plus C squared over A squared. Can you see a few things coming out now? What is A squared over A squared? 1. What is B squared over A squared? It's the same as B over A whole thing squared, right? What is B over A? Cos theta. So I can write cos theta squared plus, what is C over A? Sine theta. So I can write sine theta. Voila, we are done. Therefore, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. That is the basic trigonometric identity. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and please share as much as you can. Give this video a like, and please visit the mathscenter.com for all your mathematics, physics, and accounting needs. Yeah? IGCSE A levels and IB. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.